Have you ever wondered what the difference between volume and capacity is? I know I have. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. These three containers all have the same capacity. That means that they can all hold the same volume of liquid. These three containers contain 2 litres, so they have a capacity of 2 litres. That's how much they can hold. Volume is the amount of liquid inside a container. These 3 containers have the same volume of liquid, but the containers are different capacities. That means they can hold different amounts of liquid. To measure the capacity of a container or a volume of liquid, we need to use this formula: length times width times height, and that equals cubed centimetres. So the cubed centimetres, we can convert it into litres or millilitres, depending on the size of the container. To measure the capacity of a regular shaped container, we use the formula length times width times height equals cubed centimetres. This container has a length of 10 centimetres, a width of 10 centimetres, and a height of 12 centimetres. 10 times 10 times 12 equals 1200 cubed centimetres. Now remove the decimal and change it to litres. We have 1.2 litres. So this container holds 1.2 litres. That is the capacity of our regular shaped container. To measure an irregular shaped container, we need to use the formula length times width times height. So let's measure. This container has a length of 15 centimetres. A width of 10 centimetres. Now this is where it gets tricky. To measure the height, we need to measure the area where there is a volume of liquid. So we measure this area, and that's 12 centimetres. We then turn the bottle upside down, and we can measure the empty area of the container. And that equals an average of 8 centimetres. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So now we can times them together. So 15 times 10 times 20 is 3,000. So this container is 3,000 cubed centimetres. When we move the decimal to convert it into litres, we move it 3 places, and that leaves us with a capacity of 3 litres. So today we've learned that volume is the amount of liquid in a container, and the capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold. There you go. Something new.